I'm Scott Holowicki, and it's time to start the operation.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Nice to meet you, Scott.
Nice to meet you as well.
Welcome. How are you? What's your name? There are 2 points we do. First of all, we're going to do the donor area. The donor area for us is basically the backside of the head and around the ear area. So it's actually a semicircle. It starts from here and comes till here. We'll see how many grafts you may need on average to meet your expectations compared to what you can get from a donor area, and we'll see So first, we'll do the basket. Okay. After all is done, we'll first start with the local anesthesia. Okay. And after the local anesthesia, we'll first start with the extraction. Let's see number of the grafts first. Okay. After we see the number of the grafts in the donor area, then we may take the decision to go for the beard and chest extraction to increase overall number of the grafts. I'll be coming for incisions myself, so we'll have time to chat once again.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Any questions you have?
No, good to go, Doc.
Okay. Let's get it started.
Let's get it
Pleasure
started.
to meet you.
Thank you.
What is the worst thing about losing your hair?
Losing my hair, not being able to style it anymore. I miss getting out of the pool and, being able to throw it back. I miss being able to style my hair.
Why did you choose Smile Hair Clinic?
Because we heard it was the best.
How was your first night?
It was good. It was a little hard sleeping upright. I'm used to sleeping on my side, but we made it through the first night, and I'm feeling great today.
And how many hours did you sleep?
Maybe 4. I'll probably get more tonight though, for sure.
And right now you're waiting for the presentation, which is about aftercare.
Yes, aftercare, the most important part. Make sure they don't fall out.
Did you like the vibe of the clinic?
Yes, I love the vibe of the clinic.
The energy.
Everybody's super friendly. Everybody's been very nice to me. Transportation and communication has been excellent. Definitely recommend it.
If your new hair could talk, do you think what would they say?
Let me blow through the wind.